Today's date is May 2, 2026. And ito yung binili sa Rose Pharmacy. And first is Urinorm, which is maintenance ng uric acid, Avator. I think this is for cholesterol. Then Euthyrox this is for nodules, thyroid nodules. And then vitamin B complex. So for the total na nabayaran is 1,200. Tapos may VAT na 12%. So imagine, nagbabayad ka lang for the maintenance and then kumikita pang gobyerno ng 145. Tapos alam niyo na kung saan napunta.